Michael Hall read a crayon story. He was red. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this. Really? But he couldn't. Really? Like this? Oh my. Let's try again. His mother thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one? A really orange one. But they make a big greenish one. Yuck! Oops. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red scarf. Nice! It's so you. But it so wasn't. Oh
Uh-oh.
dear me. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all. Don't be silly. It says red on his label. Here comes that wave from the factory. Frankly, I don't think he's very bright. Well, I think he's lazy. Right, he's got to press harder. Really apply himself. Give him time, he'll catch on. Of course he will. But he didn't catch on. Green frog, black sheep, brown cow, red.
Ugh.
All the art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought he was broken inside. This will help hold you together. The scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Still now. But even with all our help and all his hard work, he just couldn't get the hang of it. One day he met a new friend. Will you make a blue ocean for my boat? I can't. I'm red. Will you try? So he did. Thank you. It's perfect. You're welcome. It's so easy. And he didn't stop there. Bluebells, blue jeans, bluebird, blueberries, blue whale. I am blue.
Whoa!
He was blue, and everyone was talking. My son is brilliant. Who could have known he was blue? I always say he was blue. It was obvious. blue ocean really lifted me. All of his work makes me happy. His blue strawberries are my favorite. He's so intense. I'm going to make a green lizard with him, a really big one. I hear he's working on a huge new project. He's really reaching for the sky. And he really was.